guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in this short tutorial video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily link your FiveM application with your Discord. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply make sure that you have downloaded the FiveM application on your mobile phone. After that, what you have to do is to simply go back and open up your Discord mobile application. Once you are on your Discord, you have to simply go to your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where it is written as you. Now once you are on here, at the top right corner you will see like a gear button. You have to simply tap on that. Now from here, what you have to do is to simply tap on this little option named as authorized app. So once you are on the authorized app, here you will see that there is no authorized app available because I haven't gone to my FiveM application, and you have to simply go to your FiveM application and turn that from here. Once you will turn it, automatically it will authorize FiveM to Discord, and from there you can easily go to authorized app and click on FiveM. It would easily link it to your Discord. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.